Hello there, welcome back to the channel. I'm going to take you on a resort room tour, Holiday Inn Bangkok, King Bed Standard Room in May 2022. Holiday Inn Bangkok located in Bangkok city center with a few steps from Chitlom BTS station, nearby shopping district and tourist attraction, including Central World, Pratunam Fashion Mall, Siam Center, and MBK Center, also Airwan Train. In the hotel area, there are two hotels. Intercontinental and Holiday Inns are connected by an indoor corridor. There is a parking building which is shared in buildings community. And here is the room, the King Bed Standard Room. The Holiday Inn Bangkok has got all its rooms fully renovated, very nice and comfortably decided guest room tasty food renovated and relaxation. The room size is 29 square meters. It is very standard and compact, nothing special. There are two main restaurants which provided a variety of food and beverage outlets. Beer Republic located at street level just in front of the hotel entrance. They serve European and Thai bar food, good beers and live music daily. Ginger is an all-day restaurant and also for guest breakfast. The breakfast is very okay. They serve Western, Japanese, and Thai dishes. There is an outdoor pool for your enjoyment and relaxation. Also, the fitness center and sauna open 24 hours. For your information, there are 3 Holiday Inn in Bangkok, which here is the most highest room rate. However, location is the best, which connected you to any place in Bangkok by public transportation. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.